Sport video templates can make editing your next sports video a slam dunk. It's the easiest way to make your videos more engaging in just a few clicks. From promoting your fitness venture or hyping up fans of your favorite sports team, it's time to jump into the action with dynamic sports promo templates. To help, we'll coach you through 10 of our favorite sport video templates that are perfect for every sports fanatic. Number 10. Sport Animation Background by Design Cells. We're starting our countdown with this kit of illustrated animated backgrounds. This versatile After Effects template includes 5 sport settings, including baseball, basketball, football, golf, and the gym. And each stunning illustration can be customized to match the colors needed for your specific project. Number 9. Fitness/Sport Titles by Madness Pro. If you're in need of a dynamic title for your next sport video, look no further than this kit. Each title uses a seamless animation by using animated shape layers, opacity keyframes, and motion blur. This collection showcases different activities like bodybuilding, swimming, yoga, and Pilates. Number 8. SportFest Instagram Story Template by Ninth Stock. Stand out from the social media crowd with these Instagram story templates. With 6 eye-catching options to choose from, with colorful backgrounds, bold typography, wiggle animations, and animated HUD elements, your audience won't be skipping through your stories anytime soon. Number 7. Sport Trailer by DXVSH. You can start your next video with a bang by using this sport promo for After Effects. If there's a Super Bowl-worthy sports template, this is it. This video tells a story and introduces each of the important players by using alpha masks, colorful repeaters, and a modern animated background. Number 6. Sport Opener by Minimotion. The number 6 spot on our list is a modern, eye-catching template, versatile enough to present your sports event, competition, team, fitness club, or even to promote your gym. It uses modern titles, a thorn paper background, animated elements, and wiggle placeholders to showcase your models or team players. Before moving to our top 5, we want to remind you that Envato Elements helps you bring your creative ideas to life with sound effects, video templates, and stock videos, including all the templates featured in this video. With thousands of sport video templates to choose from, your next video is guaranteed to be a home run. Now, let's get back to our list. Number 5. National Sports Promo by TransSMaxX. Putting together a video for a fitness center or a sporting event? Then our number 5 pick is just for you. This template stands out from the crowd by using big bold text, dynamic placeholders, HUD elements, and colorful backgrounds with a blending mode that allows you to add your footage and how it blends seamlessly with the composition. Number 4. Ultimatum Sport Promo by Kotanev. If we could use one word to describe the number 4 spot on this list, it would be cinematic. It brings the lights and camera. All that's left for you to do is bring the sports action. Just drop in your fitness or sports video into the After Effects template, and you'll have a video that your audience will go wild over. Number 3. YouTube Sports Pack by Cinema Eternal. Calling all YouTube fitness stars, this YouTube Sports Pack by Cinema Eternal has literally everything to bring a cohesive and fun look to your YouTube channel. From intro screens to timers and exercise previews, this After Effects template is the complete package. Need to shake things up? Don't worry, because it also includes 5 different styles for you to explore. Number 2. Extreme Sport by Simon Avua. The name says it all. Simon Avua has created an extreme sport promo template. Perfect to introduce your next sporting event, this After Effects template is guaranteed to get any sporting fan motivated and hyped up for your event by using multi-screen placeholders and urban texturized typography. Number 1. Sports Opener by eFine. Last but not least, let's end our list with an opener. This sport video template is specially designed for sports and active lifestyle content. With a whopping 17 video holders and 8 text holders, the options here are endless. If you get stuck along the way, this Premiere Pro template includes video instructions to help you get your project to the finish line. And that's our list. Which of these sport video templates are you going to sub in for your next project? Let us know your favorites in the comments down below. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and enable notifications so you don't miss any of the action. For more from Envato to help you with your next project, check out the video to the right of your screen that's been selected just for you. We'll meet you there.